Assalamu alaikum. I'm here to share with you the findings of research we did in the UK involving halal consumers. So, our objective was to find out whether Muslims or halal consumers in the UK prefer animals that have been stunned before slaughter or those that have been slaughtered without stunning. Before I explain the results or I give you the results, I need to draw your attention to a number of things. So the first thing is that UK animal welfare regulations or UK slaughter laws allows Muslims to slaughter animals without stunning. So that's the first thing. Now, if you look at the data, the majority of animals are stunned before halal slaughter. So take cattle, for instance, they are stunned with what is called captive bolt stunning or penetrative captive bolt guns. Now, 99% of halal beef is actually stunned from the penetrative captive bolt. So the way it works is they put a gun on the head of the animal, shoot it, a bolt or a rod comes out, goes through the skull to destroy the brain. That is the penetrative captive bolt. And the majority of halal beef is stunned with that method. Come to sheep. Sheep or goats are mainly stunned with what is called electrical head only stunning. That is a method of stunning where you place electrodes onto the head of the animal, pass voltage through the head in order to cause brain dysfunction. That method of stunning is very, very unlikely to kill because it affects only the brain, it doesn't affect the heart. And also, it doesn't cause physical damage to the brain. So, it is unlikely to kill the animal. Let's move on to poultry or chickens. There are two main methods of chicken stunning, either exposure to gas or controlled atmosphere stunning, where the animals or the chickens are exposed to a gas mixture, usually carbon dioxide. So they are exposed to the gas until they lose consciousness and die before their necks are cut. So that's the first one. The second one is what is called water bath stunning. So the birds are inserted, their heads are inserted and their body into an electrified water bath. So the current then passes through the head and hit the brain to knock it unconscious. So those are the methods of stunning different animals. So we ask consumers in the UK or in England whether they prefer meat from animals that have been stunned or animals that have not been stunned. About 70% of them said they were given the option, they would rather choose meat from animals that have not been stunned. And the main reason for this was that animals that have been stunned, there is no guarantee that the animal, there's no way the consumer can find out that the animal is still alive at the point of slaughter. And as you know, animals being alive at the point of slaughter is an important requirement during halal slaughter. Assalamu alaikum.